of the Philippines for securing our month-long celebration for the DME Festival 2025 na safety o wag yung katalaman na ito sa daghan kayo. Salamat. This would not be possible again kung wala yung punta na suporta o ni-abide sa ilahang mga pangalaon. So daghan salamat Air Iliganos for supporting our security and safety for our celebration for the DME Festival 2025. Alright, so now, first we'll be giving recognition also for our sponsors. Okay? So I will give presentation. Okay? So this is for our sponsors. So again, that organization is presented to, again, as mentioned, your business, please join us here for the picture photo ops as we recognize also the right number of our major sponsors natin for the DME, the Sunday as the DME 2025. So as we read presentation, receive a plaque of appreciation presented to Mall Tech Iligan City. Napakan natin, open guys, let's go! For a download support.